This is a video that I've wanted to make for a very long time. I've seriously tried to start recording this maybe 2 or 3 times in the last 2 or 3 years and never finished it because it seemed very boring. And who knows, it might still be very boring. It's about that. And I've wanted to make the video about this. My super cheap toolbox that's actually full of tools. So I usually carry a toolbox in my car wherever I go. It comes in handy all the time. And when I started working on the Bug, I was like, hey, I'm gonna need a second toolbox for that car because it's old and it's gonna break down. And I thought it'd be fun to challenge myself to see if I could make a really good toolbox for $100. And you've never seen that video because me talking about tools and being cheap sounds boring. Hello, and welcome back to the Zero to Awesome Kitchen, where today's recipe is tools. But today,
enter me.
We're finally making that video, and maybe we have a way to make it not boring. We're gonna have a little bit of a competition. I'm gonna compare my cheap $100 toolbox to the toolbox that you don't have yet.
No. So we're going to a hardware store of my choosing and cap out the tools that I think I will need to get for my toolbox in my car for $100. And we'll see.
You have your budget?
Yep.
You have GoPro?
Yes.
I will drive you to the hardware store of your choosing and go to town.
Yep.
We'll compare our toolboxes when you're done shopping, I guess.
Is the toolbox part of the budget? I just thought of that.
$100, all in.
Okay.
That was actually my first question. I didn't know if Demery would actually remember to get something to put the tools in. I will not be there. No hints, no judgment. I am really excited to see how far $100 gets you at wherever you're going. Have you decided on which hardware store you would like to go to?
Yes, we're gonna go to Lowe's.
Lowe's? I will say nothing about that choice.
No, you want to. It's recording?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you turned it off.
No.
Bye.
Have fun.
Oh, it's probably pointing at my...
You're recording your chest right now. Bye.
Okay.
Goodbye to me.
Oh my gosh, I love your dog. Hi. I have no idea where anything is. Probably need tape. Yeah. Color. Do one of these. I don't think I need those. No. Okay.
Special assistance needed at the millwork desk. 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 Special assistance needed at the millwork desk.
Oh, I guess I need to go back and find out what the other ones were. Oh my god. Okay. Screwdriver set. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that could work. Okay. Yep. That's 15. Yay, we're getting things checked off. So now I just need to get hammer, little boxes. Highly doubt I'll find that. Oh, a hammer! Ah, yay! Yay! Okay, so which one do I want to get? Oh my god, I could totally get an axe. I'm not though. That's irresponsible. Why not? Yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks. I don't know. I don't Oh, it starts with a G. Oh, Gola.
It looks like the Adidas starts on. Have like screwdriver. Oh yeah.
Yep.
You already found it.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. But they have ones that are like 78 cents and stuff like that. So
The only other thing I didn't get on my list were Band-Aids. That's the only other thing.
hey Byron, where are Band-Aids at? Where are Band-Aids? Band-Aids. Band-Aids? Yeah.
This is really annoying. Yeah.
So do you think Lowe's was your best choice for making a cheap toolbox?
Yeah, I guess, yeah. Yeah, because I ended up spending less than what I thought. So that's good.
All right, let's talk about that. What was your total? Am I getting change back?
Yes. My grand total, if I believe correctly on the change, was $76.80.
What? We got like 25 bucks back.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, let's see what you got. What is
Okay.
in Demery's perfect $100 toolbox?
Well, this is my toolbox. I don't know where it came from. It just showed up in my apartment and it never left.
So
Then I took it to the burbs with me.
you didn't buy a toolbox.
I didn't already have one.
That's actually really smart. Because the first thing Dem asked was, is a toolbox included? And then when I was waiting in the Lowe's parking lot, I called one of my friends and told him what we were doing. And the first thing he asked, is a toolbox included? So smart, you didn't have to buy a toolbox.
But I mean, I did see toolboxes and I did consider buying one, but I thought of this and was like, it'll do.
I like your thinking because anytime I buy a power tool, like any one of these fine yellow tools that we keep over here, it comes in a bag. And no joke, I have this drawer right down here completely full of empty tool bags. If I were to make a new toolbox today, I would just use one of my spare power tool bags. So, smart.
Cool, thank you.
So there's the box. What do you got to go in your box?
Okay. Well, I bought a hammer. I have one. It's over there. It has my last name on it, but I wasn't sure if that would count.
This is your
It's actually
hammer.
my dad's, but it is not mine. So I wasn't sure if that would count. So I guess I have two hammers now.
You do have two hammers.
Okay.
And we're assuming you're building your toolbox from scratch. So
Yeah,
for the
yeah.
purpose of this exercise, you did not have this hammer.
Yeah. And then duct tape.
That's
I
good.
figured it's useful. And it came in lots of different colors, and I wanted to get a couple, but I wasn't sure how much they were because it didn't say the price. And I have no idea what the price normally is of duct tape, so I just overguessed and got one.
I like that you thought of duct tape colors.
They were showing, they were all like red, yellow, or like the rainbow
So
colors.
you realized you coordinated your duct tape to both your shirt and your bag.
I didn't. I picked it out because it was the one that was just like on the very top. So then I came across this lockback knife, and I was like, oh, I'll need this. And then a 16-foot measuring tape.
That's a nice tape measure.
Oh, really?
That's a really nice tape measure.
Oh, good. And then I bought a 5-piece Craftsman set of screwdrivers. Originally, my list said a Phillips head and a flathead, but I don't know if I see those on here, but it said screwdriver kit, screwdriver set, and I was satisfied enough with that.
So that's awesome, but also those are not screwdrivers.
It says screwdrivers.
Look at the ends of them.
No, I know, that's why I thought it was weird.
So these, it does say screwdriver set, but these are Torx drivers. So instead of doing a Phillips head or a flathead, it does Torx bits.
Oh.
But they look like screwdrivers.
They do. Well, then this is false advertising. And then this, I was super excited to think about. This was on my list. The first thing on my list were razor blades. I guess I ended up getting a bunch of Craftsman things. I really didn't intend for that to happen.
It's not bad. There's nothing wrong with that.
I guess. But yeah, 75 of them.
So do you know what those razor blades are?
No, I figured I could just kind of,
Kind of dig through your toolbox?
yes.
So these are actually replacement extra blades for this.
Oh, but it's not Craftsman, so it's not gonna fit, is it? Will that still work?
I mean, they're sharp. They work for poking and cutting things.
And then I came across a leveler, so I figured that will be important.
That's actually smart. I don't have a level of any of my toolboxes, and we have a lot of crooked pictures. So
You have, but yours are big.
that's actually, you know what? Where is your little one?
Yeah,
I got a little one.
yeah. Not in your toolbox.
No, I do not have a toolbox level. That is one thing I have never thought of.
And then the last thing I got were safety goggles, because you never know.
I also do not have safety goggles in my toolbox.
The one thing I did I couldn't find, were a box of nails. And I also wanted to get little boxes, like plastic empty little boxes to put random things in that would need some storing, but I didn't see them. I couldn't find those. And the Band-Aids. I wanted to get some Band-Aids. Again, safety.
I think, if my opinion means anything,
A smidge.
in the world of tools it means a little bit. Well, why don't I share with you my toolboxes and see if you may have forgotten anything.
Okay.
So I have two different approaches if I'm putting a toolbox together. Approach number one is this. You can buy a pre-existing tool set. They have mechanics or homeowners toolboxes and just add whatever is missing.
How much was this?
That's a good question. So this is not my budget toolbox. This set of hand tools itself was probably $100, but I only had to add a couple things. It has all of my sockets, all sorts of goodies. I added things really it didn't have. Some screwdrivers, vice grips, pliers, a locking razor blade knife. Look familiar? And some hex head Allen wrenches. This is actually what I carry around in my SUV with me, and it has saved my butt so many times. You can do 90% of what you need to around the office, around the house, in the side of the road with this toolbox. But this doesn't count because this is over $100. You can, and even Lowe's does sell smaller kits like this for about $30, $40. So you could have bought something like this and just added whatever was missing. Other option is build from scratch, which is what you did. And this is my $100 built from scratch toolbox. And I would say the first thing that helped me build my $100 built from scratch toolbox is almost nothing in it actually came from a big hardware store.
Okay.
Believe it or not, a lot of the stuff in here came from Ross, the clothing store with like discounted last season's clothing. They have a tool section in the back where this nice actual metal toolbox cost $12. I secured my toolbox, otherwise I would have just used like an old tool bag. And then because, I mean, maybe a little OCD, and if I'm carrying around in my car, I don't want it to rattle. The second most important thing in my toolbox was organization and anti-rattling. So most of my tools are actually in this. It's a tool roll I got from Amazon for about $8. We'll get into that in a second. Gloves.
I thought about it. Hey, it looks like mine.
It's much smaller than yours because it was only like $3,
It
but
was $6.
$3 hammer. One thing I noticed yours is missing, which might be one of the most important things I have in here. And this is a Amazon like $3.86 floating waterproof LED flashlight. This is pretty important because you never know where your car is going to break down. And usually it breaks down in the middle of the night. Duct tape. Black, again, to match my shirt and my toolbox.
And yours.
A crappy little measuring tape. Yours is so much nicer. Rope. Paracord, couple bucks. Zip ties. Kind of like duct tape. Don't leave home without them.
A poncho?
Poncho, 99-cent poncho. Again, you're gonna break down on the side of the road, in the dark, in the rain.
I was like 10 years old the last time I wore a poncho.
What?
Yeah.
That brings us to organization. Oh, Sharpie. Give this a shake. You can carry that in your trunk, and it's not even gonna make you mad. In this tool roll, we have most of the goodies. Ties up double knot style, crisscross style. How do you tie shoes? We have a lot of different stuff. And it may not look like it, but this whole thing was under $100. And there's a couple of really good reasons for that. The toolbox, like I said, came from Ross when I was there for, I think, $19. I also found a Stanley, I guess they're having a Stanley sale that day, socket set. So I've got a 3/4 inch drive, or no, half inch drive and 1/4 inch drive, a couple extensions, and then all of the sockets that go with it for $20. They are definitely not the best sockets in the world, but for $20, when you're broken down, it's gonna save your butt. In this other zipper bag, I have screwdrivers. Flat and pointy screwdrivers. I'm not fancy enough to have a torque set. The only reason I have multiple sizes of screwdrivers is because this is just an old set I had lying around. If I were to buy them, I probably just would have bought one Phillips and one Flathead for maybe less than $5. And then in the tool roll, we got a complete set of non-ratcheting, just normal old wrenches that I got at Home Depot after Christmas for, I want to say like $14 or $15. So I'd say another crucial point of making your cheap toolbox with lots of things, shop places that have deals, and if you are going to Lowe's, Home Depot, like they've got a lot of really good deals around the holidays, especially after the holidays. Less than $20 for a full set of wrenches, you can't beat that. Sometimes you don't have the right wrench, so a cheap little store brand adjustable wrench. Not as fancy as your folding box cutter, but razor blade knife with only one blade, not 75. Little needle nose pliers, little regular pliers, and wire cutters. And there is, when people think cheap tools, there's a store called Harbor Freight that sells lots of really cheap tools, and they're kind of notorious for having horrible, horrible quality. These are actually the only 3 tools that I got from Harbor Freight. Probably $10 for all 3 of these items combined. I wouldn't probably keep it on my pegboard and use them every day, but in a pinch, I think these are gonna be just fine. This is my perfect $100 toolbox. What do you think?
Oh, very nice. Love it.
Is there anything that maybe you would add to your toolbox?
Yes. I would definitely add the flashlights and, the correct screwdrivers for one thing. I mean, this is really cool, but I am nowhere near the same skill as you, so I feel like at the moment it would be a little useless for me.
But, I mean, the cooler your tools look, the less skill you have to have.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty good $100 toolbox.
Thank you.
So what's the first thing you're going to fix?
I have nothing that needs to be fixed.
No, we have so many things in the house that need to be fixed. We'll list out everything in the perfect toolbox down below. If you disagree and hate what we have, feel free to leave a very angry comment. Or if you think we missed something, you can leave a nice comment. And with that, Demery, do you have anything to say to the incredible people at home?
Like and subscribe?
Yeah, do that too.
Is that it?
That's it.
Oh.
I'm waiting for my change now.
That's in my purse.
Okay, it's not that nice.
It was like $17.
Woo! This is basically my cheap toolbox.